This dance is called Flip It. It's a 32 count, full wall, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, we're going into some step lock steps. So you're going to travel towards the right diagonal, but you're going to keep facing forwards. So you step that right to the right diagonal, lock the left behind the right. So I'm literally just effectively crossing it and tucking it in behind that right foot. Then you step the right diagonally forward to the right again, brush that left beside the right. So when I'm brushing, I'm just making gentle contact with the ground with the ball of the foot. We're then going to do the same set of steps, but with the left foot leading. So again, you're travelling towards that diagonal, but you're actually staying facing the front. So you step that left diagonally forward to the left, lock the right behind the left, step the left diagonally forward to the left again, brush that right forward. That set of steps once more then. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on that left. Now you're going to do a toe strut, but travelling backwards. So you're going to step that right toe back, lower the heel. It's a seamless transition, your foot does not leave the floor when you're doing that toe strut. So it's toe back, heel down. Walk back, 3 steps, left, right, left, touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more then, forward rock off on that right. 7, 8, forward, rock, back, strut, back, 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 touch. Let's add those 2 sections together. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward, rock, back, strut, back, 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 touch. We're going to add on a couple of vines. So go to vine to the right to start with. So you're going to step your right to the side, cross the left behind, step the right to the side, and with this vine you're going to flick that left back behind the right. So I'm literally just tucking it up behind the right. Then we're going to vine back to the left, putting quarter of a turn on. So you're going to step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, turn yourself quarter of a turn to the left as you step that left forward, and make sure you turn your whole body. So you don't want any twists in it. It will mean that for a very short time until you do something with the right, that heel will be off the ground. That's absolutely fine, but you do need to turn your whole body. With this vine, we're going to hitch the right. So I'm literally just lifting my right knee up. That set of steps once more then, those vines. Vine right with a flick, vine left, quarter turn and a hitch. Off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, flick, side, behind, turn, hitch. Let's add that to the top. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward rock, back, strut, back, 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 touch. Side, behind, side, flick, side, behind, turn, hitch. Walk back 4 steps, right, left, right, left. Then you're going to rock back on that right, recover your weight on the left, stomp the right beside the left, stomp the left in place. And when you do these stomps, don't go down flat-footed, go through the heel of the foot. That set of steps once more, then you're in that hitch position, walking back off on that right. 7, 8, back, 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 rock, stop, stop. End of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward rock, back, strut, back, 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 touch. Side, behind, side, flick, side, behind, turn, hitch. Back, 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 rock, stop, stop. So that's your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And I am going to speed it up just a little bit as we go around those walls because the music's just a touch faster. Step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward rock, back, strut, back, 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 touch. Side, behind, side, flick, side, behind, turn, hitch. Back, 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 rock, stop, stop, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, forward rock, back, strut, back, 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 touch. Side, behind, side, flick, side, behind, turn, hitch, back, 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 rock, stop, stop, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, forward rock, back, strut, back, 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 touch. Side, behind, side, flick, side, behind, turn, hitch, back, 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 rock, stop, stop. So I hope you managed to keep up with that. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward rock, back, strut, back, 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 touch. Side, behind, side, flip, side, behind, turn, hitch. Back, 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 rock, stop, stop. Step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Forward rock, back, strut, back, 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 touch. Side, behind, side, flip, side, behind, turn, hitch. Back, 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 rock, stop, stop, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, forward rock, back, strut, back, 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 touch, side, behind, side, flip, side, behind, turn, hitch, back, 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 rock, stop, stop, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, lock, forward rock, back, strut, back, 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 touch, side, behind, side, flip, side, behind, turn, hitch, back, 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 rock, stop, stop, step, locks. Forward rock, lines, back, step lock, forward rock, lines, back, step lock, forward rock, lines, back, step lock, forward rock, lines, back,
everybody's country fan. Like I am, hey, I got a Chevy, she can flip a quarter. I can drive her anywhere from here to California when this song is over. I gotta find her 'cause she had me. Hey, it's Carolina. Yeah, she had me. Hey, it's Carolina.
Hope you managed that one.